Big news! Meta AI has officially partnered with Midjourney. That means you can now create those same ultra-realistic, cinematic Midjourney style images for free and unlimitedly, right inside Meta AI. No subscriptions, no limits, just pure creativity. Let me show you how to do it step by step and even convert those images to video. Alright, let's dive in. Go to your browser and search for Meta AI. Once it opens, this is the Meta AI interface. Clean, modern, and filled with creativity. Scroll through and you already see cinematic, ultra-realistic images and videos made by other users. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how you can make yours right here. So stick around till the end. To start creating your Midjourney style images and videos, tap on Login. You can continue with your email or log in using your Facebook account. Either works. Once you are in, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You will see three options: New Chart, Vibes, and Create. Now, inside Vibes, you will find other creators' works, their image and video creations. It's basically a community gallery where you can explore and get inspiration from what others are making. But to start creating yours, tap on Create. You will now see a text box below. This is where you put in your text prompt to generate your image. Be descriptive. The more details you give, the more cinematic and realistic your results will be. Under the prompt box, there's an option labeled Image with a drop-down arrow. Click it and you'll see two choices: image or video. For now, I will pick image so we can test the image generation power. Next, choose aspect ratio. I'm going with 16:9 for a cinematic feel. Then adjust the sliders for variety, weirdness, and stylization to shape your image's vibe. Once you are set, hit send. And within seconds, Meta AI will deliver your results. Look at that! The output looks just like a Midjourney render. Cinematic lighting, crisp texture, artistic tone. Everything looks perfect. And remember, while Midjourney requires a paid plan, you can now get these same results for free and unlimitedly on Meta AI, thanks to their new partnership. Now, if you want to turn your image to a video, here's how. First, change the drop-down option from image to video. Then tap on Upload Image and select the picture you just generated. Now type in your animation prompt. Meta AI will instantly animate your image into a short moving video, usually about 5 seconds long. You can even restyle your video by choosing from the laid-down presets or style. This right here is the result from the restyled video. It looks absolutely stunning. You can experiment with looks like cinematic or dreamy to completely change the mood of your video. Alternatively, you can convert any generated image to video. Just click on the generated image and hit on Animate. Meta AI will intelligently bring it to life either automatically or using your custom animation prompts. And that's how you can now create Midjourney style images and videos completely free using Meta AI. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more smart AI tutorials like this, and tell me in the comments which cinematic prompt you want me to try next. See you in the next video.